This is a specialized trigger. According to the user manual, they say it will save your energy when you pull the trigger, so it will be more stable. It's useful for the sniper. Then we want to do a little experiment. So we have two samples. They're almost exactly the same, except the trigger set. This one uses the original, and this one uses our specialized trigger. And we want to use this spring balance to pull the trigger. Once we start pulling and fired, the paper will stay on the scale and tell you the number, so we can know how much power we need to use to trigger this rifle. And we will test the original first. It's nearly 500. Now we test the specialized trigger. The rate is almost 300, so it's truly indeed save your energy and provide you more stable shooting performance. And now we want to do another compare. Now we upgrade the spring inside the chamber, and we want to test the original trigger set. It's already to the end of this spring balance, but it's still not triggered. I have to pull more harder. That means, actually, when I fired, I will take more energy, over than 500. The same, we also upgrade the spring inside this chamber and test the specialized trigger. It's 200. So actually, whatever we upgrade the spring or not, this specialized trigger does has work. It's useful. This is the original WE AK-74. And we want to test the rate of fire. And to avoid the influence by the air, temperature, gas. So today, in the first beginning, we will connect the air compressor. Then we will replace this part. Instead, we will use the new parts upgrade by Aritech. The rate of fire will be a little bit higher than the original design. Now we use .2 ppm green gas to test will we have the same result without the air compressor. So actually, you don't need to worry about the power comes from the magazine, from the green gas or the air compressor. They all have the same influence and the same result. And if you are asking for even higher rate of fire, you can install the WE upgrade part. And they put it inside to shorten the travel, to bring you a higher rate of fire. The same, I want to use the air compressor to demonstrate the difference. So this time we won't have a baby bullet. But we don't need to use the a machine to test it, because you just hear and you can feel the difference. So if you are eager to have a high rate of fire, you can consider to upgrade our new spring guide tube, and also choose the WE upgrade part for you. Now we use 0.2 ppm green gas. This time there's no connection with the air compressor. So even without the air compressor, this device still works perfectly. So if you want to enjoy the high rate of fire, you can consider about this setting.